Hello everyone, it's Chef Stas and Ask Chef channel. I like to cook with eggplants and know a few recipes with eggplants, but today I will show you my favorite. Eggplants become tender, delicious and aromatic. You will require few rare ingredients, but it's totally worth it, trust me. So let's go and start cooking. So let's take a few eggplants, cut off the stalk and cut them into long slices a finger thick. Put in a container and sprinkle with salt, let it stand on the side. We do this to get rid of the bitterness that sometimes can be found in eggplants. For the marinade we need miso paste. It is made from fermented beans or grains. It has a very long shelf life and I love to add it to many recipes. For 3 eggplants take 1 tablespoon of miso. The second ingredient is a mirin or rice wine, which can be substituted with wine vinegar. Also take 1 tablespoon. And the third part will be a spoonful of honey. Stir well until smooth. We will also prepare a simple Asian salad. Finally slice a couple of green onion stalks. Cut the cucumber into cylinders and then make thin slices with a vegetable peeler. Season them with a tablespoon of sesame oil, a pinch of salt, sprinkle with sesame seeds and stir. When the eggplants give juice, take them out and rinse and then dry. Put on a baking tray, brush with marinade and put in the oven to bake at 180 degrees Celsius for 15 to 20 minutes until soft and golden brown. They can be a delicious ingredient in different dishes. Today we'll make sandwiches with them. Cut the bread. Spread some cream cheese on top. Cut the eggplants into convenient shapes. Another accompaniment of the dish will be chopped peanuts. Put a cucumber salad on the eggplant. Sprinkle it with peanuts and sliced green onions. And you're done! Bon appetit! Cream cheese, salty sweet eggplant, crunchy cucumbers and peanuts, a real explosion of flavors. Don't forget to like the video and subscribe. Bye bye.